It is like eerily quiet outside. You ever be outside at night and it's so quiet you can hear the electricity? Anyways, just things I love about being an insomniac and working at night. But anyways, welcome back to another video, guys. If you watched our last F30 video, you'll already know that we installed some side skirt extensions on the car. These are our side skirt extensions from Keys Motorsports, and I wrapped them in carbon fiber vinyl. And oh, there it is. Look at that weave, guys. I love the way that this carbon fiber vinyl from Vivid, it catches the light so nicely. And then I also did a nice little red pinstripe all the way down, vinyl pinstripe. Same thing over on the driver's side. Of course, I'll give you guys a little front shot, see how the light catches it this way. Oh yeah. So we did that, and I don't know, I can't even tell you how much I love how this red is tying the car together. But we're missing a little bit in the front here, so we're going to be installing a front lip. I believe, don't take my word for it, I believe this is the PSM style front lip for the M3 style conversion. This is also from Keys Motorsports, and I also wrapped it in Vivid high gloss epoxy black carbon fiber vinyl. Here she is, patiently waiting. Look at that vinyl, folks. I love seeing people's reaction. Everyone's always like, yo, is that real carbon? And I'm like, nope, it's vinyl. And they're like, ah, you little fraud. But I figure, especially for the front lip, I would have liked to get real carbon side skirts, but for the front lip, I really can't justify the $500 for an M3 style conversion front lip. I'd rather just do whatever this is, $100, wrap it, and if I bash it up on something, it's not the end of the world. So that's the plan. So I just preheated the adhesive because it is like 40, maybe 35 degrees out here. And it's supposed to be applied in 50 to 100 degrees. Not a problem, just hit it with the heat gun. But I did just run into a little bit of an issue. It looks like we have to remove these two screws on the outside of the M3 style conversion bumper here. It's the same exact spacing as right here, and we wouldn't be able to put a screw in. So looks like we got to pull those out. We're going to reuse them on the outside just in that location. Not entirely sure if we're going to have to do the same for these two screw locations. I'm going to figure that out right now. I'm missing a screw right here, but that would need to be removed, and this one as well. So the two right under this fin. Wow, look at that. I hope this lip hides that a little bit. All right, screws are out. Gonna hit it with the heat again, and round two. Oh my God, guys. I can't believe we finally have a front lip. This is insane. Oh my God. Oh, that looks sick. I love the air gap in that. Gonna have to do a little bit of vinyl trimming right there, but damn. Let's pinstripe it like the side skirts. Oh my God, look at that. That's insane. It's crazy that I think this is like a $20 or $30 roll of like 50 or 100 feet. And it's the smallest thing, but it makes the biggest difference. Same thing on the hood, of course. I love that red accent on the hood. Also on the side skirts. As you guys have seen, I am so stoked to see this thing on the ground. Just for those of you who are curious, I'm going to show you the fitment of this M3 wrap lip here. So starting on the edge, this is probably my biggest complaint. It's not even that big of a deal from standing above. Really can't see that much at all. It's not a terrible gap. But looking at it from this angle on the lift, slightly annoying, not the end of the world. Fitment back here near the vent is pretty good. Fitment all along the front face, very nice. We don't have any real major gaps there. And I'm glad I didn't do 3M on the front face. Those screws are more than strong enough to hold it on there. Having a little trouble focusing, but no major gap there. No major gaps on this side either. And same very small gap over on the driver's side. So overall, very happy with the fitment. Oops. Very happy with the fitment. Thing looks absolutely killer. Oof. I don't know what aero to do next on the car. Like, might have to do a fat rear wing or something. Sorry to keep the outro so brief. I'm trying to keep my voice down, not trying to wake anyone up. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are pumped for all the progress on the F30 here. This is not the end by any means. I think a lot of you are going to be very surprised as to what I have planned for this car. If you enjoyed this video, please go leave a like down below. Subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on JD Cars.